Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, let's make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. If you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it right now, and then just tap on this circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and if you'd like to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got some updates which we can download. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply find the updates from which app you'd like to have, mark them just like I did the Gmail and Google, and tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update apps in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.